It's your boy Samuel Tochi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, do it to hit the subscribe button, like this video, turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new Forex related videos like this. So last week I did a Forex market breakdown and forecast of my take or my own opinion on gold. Yeah. So actually I was expecting an overall sell of this level, yeah, they sell of this level. So, and you could see what happened here in the market here. Let me, if I should zoom out. So then when I did this, I think market was either at this point here. So we were expecting, I've forgotten the point where it was. We were expecting a bounce. Maybe the market was up here. So we were expecting a bounce off somewhere and for the market to shoot up to this level, then we carried the sales. So now when the market came down to this level, I knew I was now, since I sent the signal, I was expecting it now to go up. So I had to reposition for a buy, yeah, for a buy setup of this level at this point here where you see the rest of. So then if I should go to the 1 hour time frame, yeah. Okay, yeah, you will see. So this is the 1 hour time frame. So this level here, this level, this is, you see this point here, this point here. So that there was a strong level, that was a strong level here. I will tell you why it's so strong. This level here. So it's a very strong level. You see the bounce, turn to resistance, broke up, bounce again. So when this market did this long move here, this aggressive push here to the downside, so I hopped in at the, as I saw this candle here, sorry, this candle here that looks like a doji here. So I hopped in here and holding it. This was the first TP here, the points where I said my first TP would be. This was first TP and overall TP, which is a good one, is to 3.8 risk to reward. So, and you see how the market played out here. So when I hopped in here, the market started consolidating. Remember, this is the 1 hour time frame. That night it was around 4 p.m. or so. Oh, sorry, around 6 p.m., 6 to 7 p.m. when I hopped in to the market, and it was very late, a bit late for me. So, but I had to enter, and the market started consolidating for a very long time. You see how it played around. I even hopped out, yeah. I hopped out even before it went all the way to hit our first TP. Yeah? I hopped out. I shared the signal also on my Instagram. Although I didn't share this trade on YouTube, yeah, I only was sending this sale, yeah, which we should be expecting as time goes on. In this video, I will still explain why. So now you see how the market played around. It started consolidating for a very long time, which made me hopped out. Yeah. So at this point here, let me zoom out. The market, this is the highest point the market went to, which you see why I said, because this is the recent high the market created there. I'll show you, which is why I put it my first TP at that zone there. I tested there because that was what the recent high the market created there. So although this was the latest level I was expecting it to get to for me to reposition for a sell. So, but this is the recent high. That's why the market, you see why the market don't just turn any way it likes. It turns in levels. It turns at a key level. Yeah. So now this is the reason why it turned off this area. And if I missed the sell, yeah, I would have caught the sell. Yeah, I missed it because if you should go to, now this is a key level in the 1 hour time frame. If you should go to the 15-minute or the 5-minute time frame where we take entries of, so you see, sorry, you would see a strong, you see a something like a, how would I put, not a hammer, a morning star. You could see the morning star candle of that area there. You could see a morning star candle, and it's at a key level. So even if I was at this trade, seeing this candlestick pattern here, I would have hopped out. Yeah, I would have hopped out and know that, yeah, the market is about to change direction. Yeah, it's about to fall, yeah, to the downside. Even if my TP was either, let me go to the 1 hour time frame here. So you saw from that doji candle, you saw that morning star or evening star. Sorry, I don't really get the pattern, but it's still like a tweezer. So I would have hopped out of this area because after all, my first TP is at that level, so I won't. But and again, there is a trend line coming up from here. You see the first touch, the second touch, and it's at that level again. There is a trend line there. So and I see that level, that candlestick rejection, I will opt out because gold barely respect trend line. Yeah, I don't say they don't respect, but they barely respect trend line. They pay attention more to key levels. Yeah, this is one secret you should know. They pay attention to key levels. Yeah, so on seeing that rejection there, and there is a trend line close there, and also there is a psychological level close to that area. If I should show you, there is a psychological level there. Let me show you what the psychological level is. So you see there is a psychological level there, 1680. Yeah. So there's a psychological level. Seeing this, there is a psychological level, a key level there, and a trend line, three confluences already. I would go in for a sell. Yeah. So, and you see where the market fell to drop from that point there down to a level to this level too. Yeah. This would be my TP level, overall CP actually. This should be my overall TP. Yeah? But I missed the trade. You see, it hit the TP actually with a spike. It hit the overall CP. Our first TP would be at this level and overall, yeah. So now, if you didn't catch this one now, since from all the video I've been showing you how gold works in, so you should be able to get this one here. Now, when the market broke this trend line, you could see it created a symmetrical triangle actually. Let me zoom it. I don't want the chart to be messy, that's why I'll do this chart for my rough work. So you could see how the market played here in this symmetrical trend. So once when it broke that, it went up to retest, and it didn't just go up instantly to retest a random level. It went to a key level also to retest. Yeah. So let me remove this stuff here. So you could see that there is a zone here too, a level there. You could see this touch here. You see this touch here. I even judged the level there already. It was from our former video. It was already there. Let me show you, extend it. You see, I judged a level there too. So you see where the market went back to retest there. Now, each after breaking the low, it started creating a new one here. You could see this one here. This one is lower than this one here. You see it here. Now, if you had missed this sell of these points here, you would have caught this second one here. The second one here. This is a 15-minute time frame, and it shows a good pattern here. An M pattern, a double top. You see the first touch came down, went up to do a second overall. Then our TP, remember, it shouldn't be beyond this level. Overall TP shouldn't be beyond this level. So we would have caught this short, sorry, of that level too. Okay, it's on here. We have caught that sell. I'll stop loss a little bit above the box. And our TP, our first TP should be here, and our overall TP at this level, yeah, at this level. So you see how it played around till it hit TP though. So a good one is to 10 risk to reward. If you're reaching $100, you should be getting $1,000. So the market don't just move random, especially when it comes to gold respect zones. Yeah, I keep saying this time without number. Gold respect zones, it's respect levels. Sorry, it respects levels. It don't just move randomly. Okay, so now apart from this particular move again, you see when the market, let me go to the 5 minutes to see if it will be more clearer there. Now when it came down, it created a low here, went up 4, now went up again. You could see the level it went back to retest also. There is a zone there too. Apart from this one I'm about to draw, there is also a zone at that level there, and there's a reason why I drawed it today. So now let me show you again. Where is the 15-minute time frame? there's a reason why I dropped that zone there. Let me see if I could go back. Yeah, you see this level, very strong, came down. When it went up, it hits that level. That's the level safe. After I entered this buy, I knew that it's going to, if it missed this level, then it's coming back to this level. That's why my stop loss was below the box here. So you see what the market did. It came straight into that box again before dropping again, retest that level after breaking it, retest it before breaking. And apart from that, you should be able to see that, yeah, was the lowest point it went before going up, then break it. Now you know this was a low. That's a low already on its own. Even if you didn't see this one here, you should know that this is, let me remove this. So you see that this was a recent low it created before going up and drop. Now on going up again, it's going to test that level again before dropping. So if you had missed the sell from this point, you should cash it after this previous support changed to a resistance here. So gold don't just move randomly, it moves in levels, yeah. It moves in zones, yeah. It moves it moves in waves, yeah. So now from the 4 hours time frame, now. So since the market has broken that trend, let me delete all these things to make the chart clean here. So since the market has broken that level that we were actually, let me remove this long here. So since the market has broken the trend line here, this first touch, second touch, it broke it and went back to retest before dropping. So you see that it stopped from this place here, this level here, that it comes to that level. Then before going up, then I will be expecting it to retest from this level once again, yeah, fully. Like it hasn't gone, it hasn't shown me, the market hasn't shown me a clear move here. So I'm waiting for the market to either touch here, then turn to this level before dropping, yeah. But if not, it should break this level, come back here, yeah, then go to this level where we are anticipating this sell. Because this sell, I'm still waiting for it. Yeah, it's going to take time, but it's worth cashing, yeah. If you should adjust your stop loss appropriately, you should be getting a good risk to reward ratio, yeah. Apart from this one I sent, if you should keep it way below the box or a very good area, you should see a good risk to reward ratio here. So you see that this market bounces up this level, go back here before selling, and it must show me a good candlestick pattern here at this point before I should move for a sell here, because this level is a strong level too. You could see previous support, resistance here, turn support. Now it's breaking it. You should either turn it to resistance to drop, yeah, or you should break it, turn that place now to support for me to buy to this level. Then at this point I should be awaiting the sell, yeah. And it might not be at this level though, it might be here, this zone. There is a zone there too. It might be at that level there, or as time goes on, if the market now will test here and break down, then it should come to this level next, my TP, or where it should be awaiting the market to drop to, dip to, should be at this point. Or if it breaks that level, then you should look way back. Sorry, then you should look way back to see the next level it's coming for, because it moves, it pay attention to zone. So if it should break this level, yeah, the market should break this level and comes back to retest this point here and keep dropping. But at the same time, just pay attention to zones. To be able to make more profit from gold, you need to pay attention to zones. I'm not making this like a forecast or anything. I'm just trying to break down gold as simple as possible to you all. So just keep watching my previous videos on gold to be able to understand more in details what I'm trying to explain here. So it always moves in zone, it pays attention to zone. So that's it, guys, on today's market breakdown here. My hands are tight just watching what the market is doing. If it should give me a clear setup, I'll keep you guys posted. And that's it on today's video. See you guys on my next video. If you are new to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment your own opinion on this, yeah. Hit the post notification button to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. See you guys on my next post.